If Discord keeps disconnecting and reconnecting, you are definitely not alone. And the good news is that this is usually fixable in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the most effective steps to stop the disconnecting and reconnecting problem, starting with your network and DNS settings, then moving into Discord's voice options. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. Let's get into it. The first thing we want to check is your internet connection route and your DNS cache, because a dropping connection is often caused by a network issue outside of Discord itself. A very common fix is flushing your DNS. To do that on Windows, click the Start menu, type Command Prompt, then right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. Once the command window opens, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. You should see a confirmation message that the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. After that, go ahead and restart Discord and test whether the connection is stable again. If Discord is still disconnecting, the next step is to restart your router and modem. This sounds simple, but it can fix temporary routing problems, packet loss, and unstable network handshakes that cause Discord voice or chat to drop out. Unplug both your router and modem, wait about 30 seconds, and then plug them back in. Let them fully reconnect before opening Discord again. This gives your network a fresh start and can clear up hidden connection issues. Another helpful step is to switch your connection type if possible. If you are using Wi-Fi, try a wired Ethernet cable instead. Wireless connections can be affected by interference, weak signal strength, congestion, or distance from the router. A wired connection is usually much more stable, and for Discord voice chat especially, that stability can make a huge difference. If Ethernet is not an option, try moving closer to the router or reducing other devices using the same network. Now let's move into Discord itself, because sometimes the app's own voice settings can clash with your local network setup. Open Discord and click the gear icon to go into user settings. From there, select voice and video. Scroll down until you find quality of service and then turn it off. Discord's QoS feature can sometimes cause problems on certain routers or internet setups, so disabling it is a common fix for disconnecting and reconnecting issues. If you are a server admin, there is one more setting that can help a lot: changing the voice region. In a voice channel, right-click the channel and choose Edit Channel. Then go to the Overview section and look for Region Override. If it is set to automatic, try switching it to a specific region that is closest to your location. Sometimes, Discord's automatic region selection does not choose the most stable server, and manually selecting the best region can improve consistency and reduce voice drops. After making these changes, test Discord again by joining a voice channel and seeing whether the problem continues. If the disconnecting stops, then the issue was likely related to your network route, DNS cache, or Discord voice configuration. If not, you may need to keep troubleshooting with other network-related fixes, but these steps solve the problem for many users. So to quickly recap, first flush your DNS, then restart your router and modem, try switching to Ethernet if you can, disable quality of service in Discord, and if you manage a server, set a manual voice region instead of automatic. These are some of the best fixes for Discord keeps disconnecting and reconnecting errors. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.